Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to the Sprinkler Supply store. And today's product overview is the Rainbird XFS Dripline with Copper Shield. Copper Shield is Rainbird's technology that prevents root intrusion into the emitter. What I wanted to do was show you a 1,000-foot roll that I've got sitting right here. You can see just how big it is. 1,000-foot rolls are huge. We'll set it up here next to me on the table. And the first thing you'll notice is it's not the dark brown sort of chocolate color that Dripline is known for or easily recognizable for. Instead, Rainbird has made this color more of a copper color, I guess. I think it's kind of gold, but copper gold-ish. So you can easily tell that this is the one with the copper shield. And then hopefully you can see some of these, yeah, you can see some of the holes here. Let me hold it up. So each one of those little holes are the drippers, and you can see just by the bulge on the tubing that there is an emitter that is extruded with the tubing or the manufacturing process. And when this tubing is extruded, the emitter is installed in the tube, and that's how every one of the holes puts out exactly the same amount of water. You can order this tubing as a 0.42 gallon per hour, 0.6 and 0.9. And then the spacing can either be 12-inch, 18-inch, or 24-inch spacing. And then the roll that we've got here, this is the 1,000-foot roll of tubing. And you might consider using the Copper Shield if you plan on doing any subsurface turf grass applications, which drip can work well for if you've got small pockets next to the road or areas where it can be difficult to use overhead irrigation due to, spraying on the sidewalks and overthrowing. Subsurface drip is a great alternative. So you might consider using Rainbird's Copper Shield technology for those subsurface applications where root intrusion is a possibility. So anyway, sometimes it's nice to see the size and scale of a 1,000-foot roll. So should you order this, expect a large package to show up at your door. If we can help answer any of your questions, even drip design questions,